Hi everyone, welcome to a great concept in learning how to stop your snoring. Yes, can you believe it? Christian Goodman has devised a program to enable you to work out exactly what part of your mouth nose area is causing your snoring, and then providing you with exercises and tools in order to be able to clear the blockages. Now, this all came about because he happened to be speaking to his wife, who is a singing teacher, and she was explaining to him how she has to teach her students to breathe to prevent any blockages. And suddenly he realized that he could apply similar things to help him stop snoring. So he determined that it could be one of 5 areas that could be causing blockages in the airways and thus beginning snoring. So he looks at the nose, the jaw, the tongue, the soft palate and the throat areas, and he has about a 3-minute exercise for you to determine which area needs your attention. He does say that it could be a combination of factors that could be causing your snoring, but on the whole it's very easy to be able to correct the issue. And so he actually provides you with exercises that you can download onto a CD, even play them in the car while you're travelling along so that you can be practicing. And he also has a guide that's got illustrations to help you practice to clear those blockages quite naturally. No creams, no sprays, no possibility of surgery, no devices. And so this really excites me to think that this system can actually be an absolutely natural way of preventing and curing snoring. There are many testimonies on the site, the link that I've given you just below this video. And look, the program is $49 US, so you can go just to the bottom of the page that I'm referring you to. You can pay by debit card, credit card or PayPal, all very secure. And he gives a 56-day trial, 8 weeks, or your money back if you don't have success. So what do you have to lose? Now, one word about sleep apnea. If you do suffer from sleep apnea, and I feel for you if you do, Christian says to be very careful about going off your machine. However, he would like you to know that he has been receiving many emails from people who have had amazing success and have been able to conquer sleep apnea and be able to get off that awful machine and be able to breathe freely, have a good night's sleep and feel refreshed in the morning. Sounds rather amazing, doesn't it? And so I would just encourage you to give this a shot, and just go to the link below and just go through to the bottom of the page that you are sent to. I wish you all the very best and look forward to your success. Bye for now.